Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite for you. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin. Welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for being here again with me today. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, the cards I have on my table right now are the Knight of Pentacles, the Star, Queen of Wands, Death in reverse, the Hierophant, Nine of Pentacles, the Sun, Knight of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Cups. What's happening with all the readings today? Most of them have an overall energy of a very, very strong feminine energy. So the Queen of Cups is the sweetest, kindest, most beautiful, intuitive, loving, kind queen, and people would love to be in this person's energy. But something came to some kind of a stagnancy here from what I see. I think this queen has kind of since then picked up themselves. They kind of lost hope in this connection, I feel. And they decided, hey, I still have a lot of fire in me and I'm going to make heads turn. I can do things for myself. I don't have to wait around for somebody who's never going to bring my wishes to come true. But I do feel that the other person now doesn't want things to end, or now they don't like seeing their person single maybe. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Pisces, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and we'll start clarifying these cards. Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. All right, good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life, would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence. Why do you try and downplay our connection, even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. I think there was somebody here like that. I saw the Knight of Swords in reverse and that's what I was thinking. Somebody could, be using cutting words or maybe immature energy, fighting or creating conflict. This could be rude, bad behavior as well. Your love makes me feel so untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. See, I told you, just when this Queen of Wands is losing hope in this connection, finding their mojo, there is somebody else here who's not very happy about that. And they may want to come back and maybe propose or commit. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. They don't want things to change. Do you think about me? It hurts me to say that we should go our separate ways. This is what this Queen of Wands could be saying now. Alright, so let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, Pisces, for you. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. Too many. One card, my angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Look deeper. Yes, this Queen of Wands is not seeing the complete picture. They're only seeing what was shown to them. And they were shown, I think, nothing. Stagnancy, somebody not making an effort, somebody creating conflict. But things are going on behind the surface which you are not aware of. Things are happening maybe in this person's life or their heart or their soul or their ascension process, which this Queen of Wands is not even aware of now. And they're thinking, it's over, it's time for me, I've lost hope, it's time for me to kind of carve my own way in life. So, Knight of Pentacles, Spirit, what happened here? Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. What happened here? This connection. This connection became too heavy. I think one person was carrying all the weight of this connection, carrying all the responsibility of this connection. This could have been this Queen of Wands who probably got overwhelmed and tired. Listen, I'm the only one who's, doing all the work in this connection. What about you? How about sharing my load? And if you're not going to do it, then I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop. I'm getting out of hanging around waiting for you to take action. Star in reverse, Spirit. Star in reverse. Yes, somebody waited around till they decided that there is no new beginning being offered. Yes, waiting. It was just leading somebody to depression, losing hope. All they were wishing was for stability and harmony and balance. But all I think this person got was sleepless nights, waiting for that one day, that one offer which would make them happy. But no more. This person has spent enough nights awake and waiting and worrying. Now I think they're turning into the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands, Mike is with you. What do you want to say to us? Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands says, I was a wounded warrior for a very long time. I struggled, but now I no longer want to fight for this connection anymore. I am tired. I am going after my own happiness, and I figured that I can find it on my own. I'm no longer fighting for happiness with this person. One more, Queen of Wands, say something. Queen of Wands says, I'm clear. I have done everything I could to do the right thing, but now I am no longer in confusion. I have decided to walk away. It's like this card said. It hurts to say, but we should go our separate ways. So this Queen of Wands is, I think, thinking of, it's better that I leave all this empty cups behind me and go find my Two of Cups somewhere else. So what's this Death in reverse then, Spirit? Death in reverse. Death in reverse. Somebody is going through a tower moment here. Yes, they are going through a huge tower moment. They didn't expect things to change this drastically. They may have heard through gossip or from friends or family or whatever, or your social group that, somebody is releasing them and maybe moving on. They don't like this change at all. What's this Hierophant, Spirit? What's this Hierophant? They want to rush back in. They want to come, fight with you, talk to you, that how dare you? You mean to say you're moving on? I just heard from the grapevine that you are releasing, you're no longer bothered about our connection anymore, and you're okay to leave me behind. They may come and stir up some drama about either the Queen of Wands trying to end this chapter, or they may want to come back and talk about the conflict now, Pisces, and say, hey, let's begin again. Let's start from scratch. I promise I'll carry those 5 wands now. I'll share the load with you. I'll put in the work. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. I think all this delay has, helped them because they thought they were being the magician and they could get away with whatever they were doing by not offering commitment or something. But this little bit of delay that's happened in your connection, Pisces, has actually made them feel lost without you, without this Queen of Wands. They felt abandoned, they felt neglected. It's helped them now choose their path. If they were undecided earlier, I think this person is now ready to manifest something new. The Sun in reverse. What's the Sun in reverse, Spirit? Yes, they've been very depressed ever since this Queen of Cups withdrew her love. They were responsible. They drained this Queen of Cups out. They kept taking and taking and taking, and the cup finally dried up. And this Queen of Cups may have said, all right, then I'm going to go fill my cup somewhere else. And the minute they're getting even an energetic vibe that, they are being now discarded or left behind, this person has not been happy. They've been very sad, very depressed, getting very impatient now to rush back, because now they can't feel this energetic, connection anymore. They feel that Queen of Cups is no longer giving them any attention or love or sending any vibes their way. So, Knight of Swords in reverse. I think this person wanted to keep their options open. They wanted to keep their options open. They did something which was wrong. They didn't bring justice to this Queen of Cups at all. They may have wanted to keep their options open, or they had options, or they were confused whether they were ready to settle down or not at one point. This person, I think, brought in this fight, this conflict, this competition just to slow things down. But they lost because in the time they took to decide, this Queen of Wands picked themselves up and is now very confident that, hey, if it's not you, I'll find it somewhere else. Now they've made up their mind. Now they're no longer juggling. They've kind of, they don't want to juggle. They don't want any options. 2 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they don't want to fight anymore. They don't want any other competition, but they're a bit afraid. They're a bit afraid that they've messed things up in this. Maybe they took too long now. There's a lot of time gap that's gone between this fight and them wanting to come back. They're a little afraid that there's too much of conflict here, and they're also worried they may not get a second chance. One more. Yeah, they know they didn't commit on time. Now they're worried that they're going to get bad karma. Their queen will no longer want to fight for them anymore. Even though they've chosen now, they know that they've created so much of unrest and unpeace in this connection. So much time has gone by. They're not sure now that they can even manifest a new beginning with this queen. They want to say sorry, Pisces. I don't know which side you're on, but whoever this person is, they made up they are no longer juggling. They're not back and forth in their mind. They want to feel balanced once again. They want to come back and say sorry and whatever. But they're afraid. Okay, so Queen of Cups, you want to say something to us here? Queen of Cups, who was the overall energy of our reading? You want to say something? Queen of Cups says, I was all alone in that connection when I was in it. I was stressed out. I was always worried. I felt like it was me and myself in a connection. Where were they? I was stressing all the time. I felt chained and bound and always going round and round in my head trying to figure this person out. But I've cut those chains now. I've kind of freed myself from these bindings that were keeping me here. This person was emotionally manipulating me. They never opened up their emotions to me. Yes, even I felt we were a perfect match. I was their Queen of Cups to their King of Cups, but they were in reverse. They never ever showed me that they really cared, they really loved me. So, Queen of Cups says, I really wanted things to work out, but now I've kind of lost hope in this connection. So, you would know which side you're on, Pisces. Are you this Queen of Cups who's losing hope now or has lost hope, even though you wanted things to work out? Or you could be on the other side. Now, very, very afraid that your person is now single and available and moving on. You may have heard from your friends, and that you're wanting now to create some kind of, even if it's like going back to them with a fight or argument, just to test the waters to see where they're at and if there is a chance for you. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.